Hey, welcome to another episode. Yesterday I fired my cameraman Morson and today we are grilling ribs. Just kidding! Back to business again. Of course I didn't fire Morson, I am not stupid. Today we're going to be seriously grilling some ribs, but before that we're going to be smoking them first. I got these beautiful beef ribs. Let's unpack them. These are the biggest beef ribs you can get. In Dutch it's called the Jacob's ladder. Look at the size of this thing. Absolutely crazy. Strong beef flavors. This is going to be so tasty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ribs is what we got here. I don't want to smoke these as a whole. I want to cut them up, smoke them, maximize the flavor, and then sear them off over charcoal. So what we're going to do is take our knife and cut through the ribs. Look at that. This is going to be so good. By cutting them like this, Morson, we get a maximum amount of flavor. This is more service to put salt and pepper on. It's going to be even better. We're going to season these with salt and pepper, and this will keep our flavors pure. Smoke, salt and pepper, that's the best way to get beef ribs barbecue style. So now it's time to fire up our barbecue. Let's take a look in this Weber Summer Charcoal. We smoked ribs for our last cooked for 5 hours. This has been smoking, and look at it. Only 1/4 of all the briquettes that were in there are burned. So we can use the rest again. Let's light it up and set it up for smoking. Our barbecue is up to temperature. Now all we need to do is add some smoke wood. I got a chunk of beech tree here. Well, actually it's more of a log, but we want a lot of smoke flavor. So this is what we're going to put on, and then we're going to smoke our ribs. Put on the heat deflector, put on the grill grates, and put the beef ribs on. Now it's time to dial in our Weber Summit Charcoal. We're going to set the top vent to half open and the bottom vent to almost closed. We just want that little bit of opening to set this barbecue to 110 degrees Celsius, which is 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Our ribs are done. Look at them. Pull off the bone, man. Look at those shiners. Beautiful, beautiful beef ribs. Time to take them off and prep our grill for the next step. Let's take them off the grill. Ooh-wee. Oh my sweetness. Look at that. This looks so good. These are so juicy and so tender. I just want to bite into them right now, but we're not gonna. No, 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 no. We're gonna make them even better. But what a beauty. But I can't help myself. Before we're gonna go to the next step, I gotta try this beef. Look at it. Oh my God, this is so good. I should be eating them like this right now, but I want to enhance the flavor on the outside. So the next step is turning our smoker into a grill. We're going to take out the grill grates, take out the heat deflector, put in some charcoal, and let it come up to a high temperature. The fire in our grill is blazing hot. We gotta be careful that this grill is not actually melting. Look at the temperature that's in there. It's glowing red. Now we're going to put in our beef ribs.
Just like that?
Just like that. Holy inferno. You gotta make sure you keep turning and flipping them so they won't burn. Oh, look at that. And it doesn't look good while it's burning, but it's gonna taste crazy good. So this one is ready. Go on the grill, look at that. Shake that off. 2 more to go. Just that quick sear, caveman style. It's veggie time, Morson. Time to roast our, yeah, you gotta believe it, man. Eggplants, gotta love them. Let these gently roast over that charcoal. It's gonna provide us with a crazy amount of flavor. And make sure you don't forget to keep flipping them. Since this is going to be the ultimate eggplant barbecue recipe, we're gonna need 2 red onions and 1 bulb of garlic. When the eggplants are done, when you can actually squeeze them a bit. So we'll take them off the grill, let them cool down a bit. Look at how nice, smoky and juicy they are. Fully roasted. We gotta wait more, son. Cup of coffee?
Yeah.
A When everything is rested, we can start peeling off the charred bits. When you start peeling off that garlic, all this pure gold comes out. These are the smells of roasted garlic and roasted onion. It has so much flavor, it's just crazy. We'll put this in our blender. Look at that aubergine, look at how juicy it is. Whoa, aubergine eggplant, sorry. Take off the tops, sprinkle in a pinch of salt, some fresh ground black pepper, 3 tablespoons of a high quality olive oil. Now grind it all up into a puree. Wow, look at that. Quick taste test. Oh, this is really, really good. Actually, it's perfect, but I want a little bit more salt. Don't put in more salt, but I'm so scared to screw it up with the more salt, but I want a little bit of extra. But the flavor is just fantastic. It's like Christmas come early. When you taste something like this and it turned out so good, it's creamy, it's rich. It doesn't have anything to do with eggplant anymore. You just get roasted flavor and creaminess. So good. Wow. Now that is what I call Middle Eastern flavors. Sprinkle a little bit of cayenne pepper on top. I'm gonna make you eat it, Morrison. Do you hear the angels, Morrison? Come on, you know you want it.
Oh, this is good.
This is good. All natural, pure flavors. We didn't even put mayonnaise in this. You want to taste the ribs, right? All right, let's taste some of these ribs. Look at that. Juicy, tender beef ribs. Smoked, charred over charcoal. Fall off the bone. Look at that. A giant smoke ring. A nice crust on the outside. Oh, this looks so good. Smoked to perfection and then finally seared off in our charcoal. What more could you wish for? Let's give it a try. Caveman beef ribs. Why didn't I come up with this before? Quick dip in our eggplant barbecue sauce. Somehow the sweetness of the eggplant roast, it goes so well with that beef, that strong flavors, the pepper and the salt, and then the eggplant, it just melts together. We should put this on a sandwich together. Wow, this stuff looks really, really good. Time to bite into it, anaconda style. Wow. This recipe takes a little bit of effort, but it's definitely worth the extra step. Getting that char on your beef ribs, it's a little bit daunting throwing it in the charcoal, but it crispens up the outside and makes it taste even better. So, you know, why not give it a try? You just might like it. Together with that nice creamy eggplant sauce, man, this is a killer recipe. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, then leave me a big thumbs up and a comment down below, because you know the drill. Big thank you to all of my patrons and our YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk en keep on grilling. Oei, de meeuwen vliegen laag. Het kon wel eens gaan regenen. Misschien krijgen we vanmiddag wel regen, maar misschien blijft het ook wel droog.